Alright, so welcome back to another episode of the 100 Days Design Challenge Xpress-Pixels. And today will be the last day for, our design based on movie poster. So let's just dive into what we have for today. Alright, the first thing I want to do, of course, is select my canvas size. Okay, so I'll be working with 2600 pixels by 3000 pixels. I'm just going to click create. Yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go into my file where I have my resources. I'm going to import the first resource, which is this. Alright, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag and drop inside Photoshop. Place this here. I'm going to expand. Alright, expand both sides. Okay, once I'm done expanding, I'm just going to adjust this. Let's take this off. Alright, so now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go into my file again, but the next resource I'll be using, which is this. I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag and drop inside of Photoshop. And I'm going to place it. Now once I'm done placing that, I'm just going to go here, my selection tool. I'm going to ensure it's in magic wand, and I'm just going to select the black. Alright, and I'm going to separate that. Let me convert this to a smart object. So I'm going to just click on it and convert to a smart object. Alright, let's increase this. Okay, and I'll click enter. Let's rotate this. I'm going to just rotate this to the side. Let me expand. Alright, let's still rotate. Okay, enter. So I'm going to drag this and drop here. Enter. And I'm going to copy this. Just click Alt and then you right click and drag out. Let me rotate. I'm going to rotate this the other way. Okay, just come here and rotate. Drag these and place this here. Enter. Good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select both of them and I'm going to increase the size. Just going to increase. And I'm going to click on enter. Right. So this one here, I'm just going to move it in a bit. Move it in. Good. Now once I'm done with that, right, so the next thing I want to do is import the next set of resources I'll be using. So I'm just going to my file, I have my resources. So the next set of resources I'll be using are these images here, this and this. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag and drop inside of Photoshop, and I'm going to place this here. So let's start with the first image. This first image, I'm going to increase this and place this here. Okay, so let's reduce this. I'll place this here. Good. And now the next image, I'm going to increase it also, and I'm going to place it here. That's good also. Now let's unsee this first one. This second one here, I'm going to take and drag right to the first brush tool here. So I'm just going to right click on the image and I'm going to create a clipping mask. Okay, good. And now the next one, this other image, I'm going to see this now, and I'm going to right click also and create to clipping mask. Create clipping mask. Good. So now the next thing I want to do is I want to go into my adjustment layers here, and I'm going to click on here on saturation. I'm going to colorize this and I'm going to drag this to red. Okay, so this is good. And I'm just going to hit this. I'm going to click Alt and I'm going to drag it to the other image, front of the other image. Now this first one here, I'm just going to create a clipping mask, and this other one here, I'm going to create a clipping mask. So you just right click on it and then you create a clipping mask. So what I want to do now, I'm going to duplicate this. So just press Ctrl J to duplicate it. I'm still going to create a clipping mask. So you can either right click to create clipping mask, or you just drag it behind this other one. It will automatically clip. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to drag below. So it's going to clip. Now the next thing I want to do, of course, is I'm going to import the next set of resources I'll be using. I'm going to go into my file. Alright, these are the next set of resources I'll be using, both of them. I'm going to take this, drag and drop inside of Photoshop. Now for this first one, this is the title of the movie, KALKI, and this is the next thing I'll be adding. So this is going to be placed here. Okay, so you just take this, drag and drop at this top corner here, and then for this other one, the title of the movie, I'm going to place it here. Okay, so let me increase the size of it. Just click enter once you've adjusted it. Alright, That's good. Now, so with this, the last thing I'm going to do is take a screenshot of this and edit the image singly. I'm going to press Shift Ctrl Alt E to take a screenshot of this, and I'm going to go into my filter, camera raw filter. I'm going to go into my filter. I'm going to increase the vibrance. I'm going to increase the dehaze a bit, okay? Alright, and then I'm going to increase the texture. Alright, let's reduce the exposure a bit. Okay, alright, I'm going to click OK. Let's just let it take effect, the changes take effect. Alright, good. So with this, we've come to the end of our design for today. I hope you learned something new. Okay, although it's a very simple one, but it's quite creative. Alright, so I'm going to see you in the next video. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you're watching from. Have a lovely day.